Okay, so we have our AI packs here, and what these are, they're an add-on software that replaces the built-in AI for our P-series cameras today, and with our WiseNet 9, it'll work for the P and X series. And so this is an application where, for very specific vertical solutions, these were all designed based on feedback from our customers who, when we came out with AI 3, 4, 5 years ago, they wanted to know, well, can I detect other things or other types of vehicles? So we customized this here specifically for forklifts. And so you can see we're detecting the forklift object now instead of just any other vehicle. And so for one example here, we have a proximity detection, which is very similar to social distancing. But we can say if one forklift is too close to the other forklift, that's an event, generate an alarm, notify someone so we can take an action. We can also customize that for forklift to person. So if a person is too close to the forklift lanes, that can be notified as well. We also have our object detection. So again, it's detecting the forklift here. We can send our best shots, the images, to our VMS. But then, just like any of our other intelligent video analytics, we have our virtual line and virtual area. So depending on my environment, if I have a certain area where the forklifts are not supposed to go beyond, I can draw a virtual line and be notified when it goes beyond that line in a specific direction. We also have our virtual area, where, again, if I want to know if that forklift goes into that area, and we can then do enter, exit, intrusion, or loitering. So loitering could be used where I could put in a certain number of seconds or minutes and say, well, maybe that's the staging area to get into the trailer to unload the truck. If that forklift is sitting there for more than X many seconds, well, that means either something's backed up and not efficient, or whatever, we might want to get an alert on that. For worker safety, we also have a slip and fall detection. So if there's a lone worker and they fall, to try to notify that something happened. We also have forklift speed detection. So if, again, forklifts are going too fast, that way we can help with training and reduce accidents. We also have a blocked exit detection. We'll talk about that in a minute, but that can, again, help with workplace safety to make sure we're not blocking fire doors or certain areas that shouldn't be blocked. And then we also have some statistical analysis. So we've had people counting before, so we have that capability, but we also can now tailor that to this factory safety solution, and we can do forklift counting. So I can draw my virtual area, and this way, if I have a corridor or a truck bay, I can know how many times that forklift traversed that virtual line, and that gives a lot of meaningful insight and data to the operators of the facility. We can also do forklift queue management, which goes back to what I said earlier. If too many forklifts are waiting, queuing in an area, I can get statistics and provide alerting on that. And we also have a heat map based on our forklifts.